$5?
I don't have any cash on me.
Yeah, I don't have cash on me, sorry.
We accept vape juice? Vape juice? No. Fuck.
I have that on video. What we doing today, Case?
Going to meet in China. No. Look, there's someone right there.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Connor's somewhere over there. He's gonna take the BMW. Oh! Got some cars here already. Wicked done up. Let's see if it's still dirty money. It's not dirty money. Is it? Got the egg. Ready to go to Manchester, Toddy. Hey, what's up, guy?
What's up, dude?
How's she doing? New wheels, or are those just, is that your, yeah, there you go.
You didn't get your sticker yet.
What sticker?
You said you were gonna...
I gotta get another one.
Oh, gee.
Come on, Toddy. Hey.
Those are my old wheels.
Wait, so you have like 2 sets of wheels in here?
Yeah.
Jeez.
We're out here. We're going to a meet.
I think there's electrical problem. Some ice tuned shit.
Oh, jeez.
How much power are you predicting for the end of the season?
550.
Shit. He's got this Audi right here. Zoom in on that. Ooh.
What's up?
The old turboed Honda that you saw in the other videos.
Yeah. Actually, when I said that, I'm looking at
We got a whole bunch of people
I know
here.
it was red.
The man behind all the films right here.
My name is Robbie Schnobby from Loudon.
Oh, damn, son. Where'd you find that?
What?
Videos.
Just dotting around.
We just got a newcomer coming up. He's got a Dodge Mopar, number 9 out of 175. Look at that. It's got black and blue seats. Dodge Mopar. Boost. How much power you think you're making?
At least 600 of the wheels.
Shit.
That's
Oh,
on this
you got a dog.
Got the booty.
Boots. Boots. It's eating something.
No, why don't you
Whoa.
That way she doesn't flood my car.
Yep.
Slow. Hey, do a burnout.
Wait, is that his?
Yeah.
Oh, you broke it. Do a burnout.
How's your exhaust?
I don't know. Yo, get this.
Oh, I'm getting
right
it.
here?
Hey, you want to get it?
Yeah.
It's already recording.
Oh shit, Bob. We got the old drift car, the full Fozzie got. Yo, fuck you if you don't drift it, bitch. Here, we got the man, the myth, the legend. Javier the Xavier. Yo, what's good? Yo, Nig. Yo, what's good?
Shit,
What's good? Oh, I gotta get that. What's good, dude? Shit, this thing's tucked. Yo, what's good, dude?
Oh,
Yo,
she stands now, huh?
Hey, tell us about the Fozzie.
What do you mean?
Tell us about it.
He has the Haas exhaust on.
Haas exhaust, dude.
Exhaust.
I think this it's revving a little bit.
Oh shit. She's fucking poking.
Nick, is that from doing a burnout?
Holy shit, dude, she picked up hard.
Yeah, dude.
Jesus Christ.
It's more poking than I poked at his girlfriend last night.
Nick, is this one from me?
Completely stripped.
It's got more meat than Colonel Sanders and
Completely stripped drift car.
Yeah, that would be too low. What's up?
The whole inside's gutted. I'm surprised there's a second seat in here. Last time there wasn't.
For the bitches.
We got a Hydro E that does not work.
Got some DOS.
Yep. NOS. We got this right here. Oh shit. We're missing these guys right here. Them rolling up. Pop a wheelie! We got the man, the myth, the legend. Chris Wood. Chris, how you doing, bub? How you doing?
Well, you can't even get out. I gotta move my car.
Yo, homie. Brother, you gotta move your car, brother.
I'm leaving.
Oh, he's gotta back up so he can get out.
Oh, Jesus.
Never mind. This is Chris Wood's brother. Look, they look exactly the same.
It's almost like
Stand next to each other. What the fuck? Didn't even read that there's two faces because it just read one. Because there's only one.
Is that right?
Gotta back the
Dude,
fuck
I did
up.
not know there was two of those brothers. Freaking freaked out.
Hold your camera. Hold your fucking camera.
The Bosnian's here.
It's been a while, boys. I ain't
Boris.
seen you very well.
He's got the Bosnian car, Bosnian turbo.
It's a Yugo.
Bosnian injector. Hey, we gotta do a poll.
We're doing a poll?
Yeah.
We're not doing a poll.
Oh, a poll, Mark again.
What's the siren? Yeah. Oh, Connor's ready to go. Got Connor over there. Got Nick. Got Slipknot Boy. We got Subaru.
Thanks.
And we got a big line of cars. Howdy! Give her!
Yeah, it's a 2.5, but it's 2. There they all are. Oh, the gauge is gone. It's over here. What's up, guys?
Has the hi. Has the way to go. Look at that old guy over there. The only other E39 here besides Concons.
You want to go look around?
I don't know. I think these look pretty sweet. I don't know, I think it looks pretty sweet too. Then we got Connor's BMW.
Oh shit, the shittiest looking one here.
So what happened to your RX-8?
Apexes.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's your favorite car here so far?
That Camaro's nice. I saw the ZX. I like the ZX. Every Subaru because they give me wood.
Nice.
Yeah.
What about that Crown Vic?
Oh, fuck that. Cop car. That's my favorite.
Are you dick hard now?
To the extreme.
Yeah, it does. So what do you think, Connor?
It's fucking tit.
What do you think so far?
I just got here.
So what do you think?
I don't know yet.
Okay, talk to you later. Got the things. Wonder what this thing makes for power. Yeah.
But look at that.
Wanna go look at the Evo?
Yeah, I wanna go look at the Evo and see. Dude, this thing's so small. It's sweet.
Would you run it, Connor?
Yeah, I don't even care if it's triple. This thing's so sweet.
Thing's wicked, doesn't it, dude? Looks good.
I just don't like the
Nasty Evo over here. So we got Steven Bass Wagner, and he's gonna talk about this sweet Honda.
Yeah, so this is my 2099 Honda. It's K-Tune, as you can see.
Tell us about the paintwork, you know.
Paintwork.
All by you?
I got really fucked up on LSD, and I was like, fuck it, dude. I'm gonna fucking do this shit.
Dude.
So me and a couple buddies were all fucked up, and we just went. I grew up in Portsmouth, so I did that.
What's your favorite car here so far?
I
Crown
don't know.
Vic.
Oh yeah, the Crown Vic.
What's your explanation? Hey, what's your favorite car here so far?
Not yours.
That Forester up there.
Oh, okay. Hey, what's your favorite car here?
The Forester.
Hey, what's your favorite car here?
The motorcycle over there.
You mean over there?
Over there, right
Like
there.
that big old GMZ over there.
That thing's sweet. The nicest car here. Here he is. Yeah, it is. What are you? Oh. So why did you come here after the Yukon thing?
You know what?
And why don't you have the gloves on?
I only got one glove left.
Jeez, you gotta get some more.
I know, right? On old Instagram yesterday, I just wanted to see if you'll fucking do a bigger one. Right here,
Let's go
Bob.
see him.
He's gonna walk over.
Yeah.
Let's go see Jimmy.
Hey, give it a rev. Give it a rev.
Slow, Bob.
Dude, the Mustang. They got four.
That's it. The tires on it really
You're good.
He looks so shitty.
Hey Casey, what do you think of the tube?
Its stance works.
Yeah, they do. Hey, you know Jordan Cox is here?
He's probably not gonna come
I heard that. He's just on a little tired. I heard pushing to 340.
320.
320.
320 and then 373 foot-pounds of torque.
What do you think?
I'm in love. Same intake, same turbo inlet pipe as me, dude.
What about turbo though?
Stock turbo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
On Ignite 114 mix.
What's your favorite car here so far?
My own.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Yo, go get that shit, Steve.
Move it a little bit because I don't want to hit a slider. Oh. I got my board in my car. Yeah. Is that a K20? Ah! That's it? That's all you...
Yeah.
Guy, you happy we went to the meet?
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Pretty done up. Guy, you happy that we went to this meet?
No.
Sweet.